operate with infinite abilities, be conscious of invisible things also. But the lower level, with this body, sensual body with senses, we are able to see things, whatever is available here, whatever is. That's only a small thing we are doing. But the profound challenge is getting into higher plane with this consciousness, try to do divine things. That's where I have a hierarchy. If you go deeper into lower plane, you have Danavatvam, that is devilness. If you are in between, you are a Manavatva, being human. Then still you try to evolve, then you go into Daivatvam. In a place like this, we are attempting that. Can we station ourselves at Daivatvam, higher plane, so that we are able to have that infinite capacity and abilities. We are able to do good to ourselves and to others. We become creators of realities, our own realities. And there is no question of limitation when you go to higher plane. But when you operate this consciousness at the lower plane with your physical body, with senses, there is a limit. There is a limit. Unfortunately, nowadays the materialistic growth is so much that we tend to become very, very selfish. We use all our consciousness, our abilities through our sensual organs only for self-gratification. Self-gratification. Well, we need to gratify ourselves, there is no doubt about it. We need to take care of our body. Deha pusti, aham pusti. You have to eat well, sleep well. We have to lead a good family life. They absolutely nothing like, no, I am into higher plane, so I don't care. No, we have to use our sensual body. We need to have excellent sensory perception. While eating food, you are enjoying the taste of the food. When you meet with people, yesterday I was listening to a beautiful 5-point talk on how to be very friendly and attract people towards you. The first one is, have that kind of a flooding smile on your face. Flooding smile on your face. Then use your body language and have beautiful sticky eyes. Look into the eyes of the people. Sticky eyes, beautiful eyes. So this is what we need to do with our sensory body. Even that we are not able to use properly. So my graduation into higher plane should happen with a lower plane. Let me know, let me understand how to use my body. First thing. Can I create heaven here? Then I can graduate into heaven after. But this concept of heaven after, hereafter, somehow nobody is aware. Maybe those who do perpetual dhyana and all that, they also experience life after. I don't know how far they have insights into that. For me, the most important thing is, can I create Bhulokata Swarga? That's what I find in School of Ancient Wisdom. The first statement I make there is, I deal with a number of youngsters from the neighborhood villages. This year also several thousands of students have invited them, organized a number of programs. The first statement I say, you have all come here to access this Bhulokata Swarga. For me, this Zen center, empty space, is also like Bhulokata, not like Bhulokata Swarga only. Wherever you rejoice, wherever you live moment to moment ecstasy, that is Swarga. Moment to moment ecstasy, not that only birthday, there's an annual day, conference day. No, moment to moment ecstasy. And that ecstasy happens, you need to amalgamate, try to harmonize both your higher plane and lower plane. You are connected, your consciousness is perpetually connected to your soul, and that gives you the language of passion, compassion and love all the time. And then when you come to lower level using your physical body, when we interact with people around, use this guloka, can we make it moment to moment ecstasy and try to create happiness? Can we laugh for no reason? That's a big challenge. How can I laugh? People have all the reasons to cry, but I say you have all the reasons to laugh. In fact, I have been trained as a laughter yoga master. I incorporate this beautiful laughter yoga in all my talks. Recently, I was asked to address the police officials. You know how tough guys they are. And in fact, they wanted this laughter yoga like anything. They saw that's what is missing from our life. All the time we are under tension. I said, this is the time you need to understand your own true self. That's what they wanted me to talk, understand the true self. When you understand your true self, you are a soul being, and through soul being you operate out of consciousness, you get nothing but love and compassion. Then, as an expression of that, you need to laugh. Flooding smile. Well, they say, sir, being cops, we can't do that. I said, you keep doing, you have been doing this. When some decent fellow, somebody comes to talk to you, wanted to take your help for community purpose, you come, sir, banni kutkoli. They talk to you, and even on phone, yes, madam, what is that I can do for you? Saibaru horagade hogidare. Here a message is there. They talk with so much of love. Now their mind, psyche has changed nowadays. They are not like earlier days. When you go to the station, they invite you, Saibaru idare, banni sir, kutkoli. That is, basically they are humans. They are soul embodied beings. But the job makes them little tough. When they deal with criminals, they have to operate at a lower plane where they have to show their anger, they have to threaten them, then only the truth comes. In order to take out the truth, they need to be very tough cops. But there's only limited to that. And after that, you come back to your original self. What is your original self? You are a soul embodied being. What comes out of that? Love and compassion. When you talk to people, civilians, when you go home, you need to operate higher plane. But don't carry this negativity home. And then I said, in order to beautifully keep shifting from higher plane to lower plane, we need to keep shifting. For instance, I had an academy where I need to keep shifting this. When I deal with my students, my staff, I'll be very, very lovable. I talk to them all the time. I keep laughing. When there is a tough situation is there, I go into immediately lower plane, where I show my anger only to correct them. Because sometimes we need to use that. That's why soul has given all these